big tree from the numbers. I will show the number and count also. Then this number we will hang on the tree. We will play with numbers. Okay? Then look at me carefully and you will do also same your house. Okay? With your parents you will make very big trees on the notebook and then you will play. Okay? Or make also different cards. Okay? Now we will start. Okay, let's start now. This. What is this? This is a one. How many elephant here? Only one. I will show also one object. Okay? How many ball? It one ball. Okay? Then it is one. Then we will hang here one. Next number is after one. What will come? Two. Then I will show to you. This number is two. How many peacocks here? Two. Okay? Two peacocks. Count with me. One, two. Then we will hang it near the one. Then after one will come two. After two, what will come? Three. This number is three. How many rabbits here? Count with me. One, two, three. How many rabbits here? Three. You will count, okay, with me. Then after two, what will come? Three. Then we will hang it near the two. After three, what will come, kids? Four. What will come after three? Four. How many rats here? Four. Count with me. One, two, three, four. Four rats here. Then after three, what will come? Four. Then after four, what will come? Five. This number is five. How many umbrellas here? Count with me. One, two, three, four, five. Five umbrellas here. Okay? Then after four, five will come. Then hang it near the four. After five, what will come, kids? Six. Six. This number is six. How many toys here? How many monkeys here? Count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six. How many monkeys here? Six. You will count. Okay? Next, after five, what will come? Six. Next, after six, what will come? Seven. This number is seven. How many ice creams here? Count with me. One, two. Count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. How many ice cream here? Seven. Okay? Then after six, what will come? Seven. Next number, after seven, what will come? Eight. Okay? Then how many dogs here? Eight. You will count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Then this number is eight. Then after seven, what will come? After seven, eight will come. Then hang it near the seven. Next, after seven, what will come? Nine. This number is nine. How many flowers here? Count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. How many flowers here? Nine. Then after eight, what will come? Nine. Nine hang near the eight. Next, after nine, what will is 10. How many candles here? 1, 0, 10. 10 after 9. What will come? Which number come after 9? 1, 0, 10. Okay. Then this is a numbers 1 to 10. Okay. Have you got it? Now repeat again with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. These are 10 numbers. Okay. We will play with these number. Okay. So first I will pick one number. Okay. You tell. So okay, I will pick 3 number. This is a 3. I will put here this number in here. Okay. This is a 3. Now I will ask from you. This is a 3. If I want to put here one number, then what will come here? After 3, what will come? Okay. I will search from this. This I pick up from here this number. Then after this number what will come? 4 will come. 2. After means इसके बाद क्या है? Okay. So after means 4 will come. What will come here? 4. Then pick this number and keep it near the 3. Then after 3 what will come? 4. Got it? This is the after concept. Then I will tell this is a 3. Okay. Before 3. Before 3 means 3 से पहले कौन सा नंबर था? Can you tell me, kids? Okay. We will search. Here is 3. Here. Then I pick up from here. After 3 what will come? 4. But after 3, before 3 what will come? 3 before. Which number here? 2. Then we will pick up this number 2. Okay. Then keep where? Here. No, this is wrong because before 3 which number will come? 2. This is 2. Okay. Now pick next. Any number we will pick. Okay. First we will pick this number. What is this? This is 9. We will put here. This number we will put here. This is 9. Okay. Now I will pick up from this place. Okay. This is a 9. Then I will ask from you which number will come after 9? 8 or 9? 10? Which number will come after 9? After means this number is here 10. Sorry 9. This is a after number. यानी हम काउंट करते हैं. इसके बाद आगे का नंबर क्या है? 10 और before 8 यानी 8 के बाद 9 है. तो अगर if I pick up from here this number and I put here, then this is 9. But I will ask from you kids कि after 9 which number will come? 8 or 10? Which number? 1, 0, 10. Very good. Right. Then we will take it and put after 9. Got it? Now I will ask before 9 which number will come? Before 9, 8. This is 8. Then pick up it number and keep it before 9. Okay, got it? After 9, 10 will come, but before 9, 8 will come. Okay, got it? Now we will pick up next number. Okay, now I will pick up 7. Here is 7. I will put here this. First, I will ask from you which number will come before 7. Before 7, which number will come? Before 7 क्या था? 6. Then we will put this number before 6. Okay. Then we will count 6, 7. But there is no number. Then after 7, what will come? Can you tell me? Okay, we will search. Okay, count with me. 6, 7. Then which number is missing after 7? Can you tell me? Can you find it? Yes. Okay. Where is 6, 7, 8? Yes, 8 will come here. Then we will pick up from here and put here this number. Okay. This is a before and after concept. Got it? Now I will play with these numbers. Okay, between number. Now I will once again we will arrange these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry 9, this one is 9, 6, then okay 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, I arrange. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will play now between. Okay, between. You know, after and before. After means बाद में, before means पहले. We will know between. Between means बीच में. Between means क्या होता है? बीच में. बीच में means देखो, ये मेरे पास क्या है? ये 3 boxes हैं. दिख रहे हैं आपको? दिख रहा है ये 3 boxes बच्चों? Kids, look at me. These are 3 boxes. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Can you tell me which boxes is between? बीच में कौन सा बॉक्स है? ब्लू, ऑरेंज और येलो. कौन सा बॉक्स कौन सा है बीच में? ऑरेंज कलर बॉक्स. ठीक है. बट अगर मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ बिफोर ऑरेंज कलर बॉक्स विच बॉक्स विल हियर? विच बॉक्स? ब्लू कलर बॉक्स. बिकॉज ऑरेंज बॉक्स बिफोर ब्लू. तो यानी ऑरेंज से पहले ब्लू है. अब बोलूं मैं आपसे, आई विल आस्क फ्रॉम यू कि आफ्टर ऑरेंज, ऑरेंज के बाद में कौन सा कलर का बॉक्स है? येलो कलर. तो यानी ऑरेंज इज अ बिटवीन विच ब्लू एंड येलो बॉक्सेस. ओके, गॉट इट? ओके, ऑरेंज बिफोर ब्लू बॉक्स और ऑरेंज आफ्टर येलो बॉक्स or orange box between blue and yellow boxes. Okay, got it? Now we will play with numbers also. Okay, now I will ask from you. Okay, this number is 3. Okay, can you tell me 3 किस नंबर के बीच में है? अगर मैं बात करती हूँ before 3 क्या है और बिफोर आफ्टर 3 क्या है? मुझे बता सकते हो क्या है? 3 से पहले 2 है और 3 के बाद 4. यानी ये 2 और 4 के बिटवीन है. सपोज आई पिक हियर फ्रॉम हियर 2, आई विल कीप हियर फ्रॉम 4. ओके, आई लेफ्ट 1 nail here. Okay, then 2 and 4. Then which number will come between 2 and 4? It is 2, it is 4. Then tell me which number come here? 3 number. 3. Okay, then we will put here 3. Now count here 2, 3, 4. And 3 is between 2 and 4. Okay, got it? Next number. I will pick here 7. This 7 before 6, 7 after 8 also. I will left here space. Okay. Now tell me, this is 6 number, this is 8 number. Which number will come here, kids? Can you tell me? Oh, which number will come? 6 and 8 between? 7 number. will come? Here is 7. We will put here 7. Now, got it? Okay. Then number is 6, 7, 8. Okay? Got it? Now you have learned 1 to 10. Okay? And you have learned also after, before and between number. If you will draw numbers on the notebook and tell me after 6 which number will come and before 6 which number will come, and 7 and 8 between which number will come. Okay? Tell me. You will do this activity at your home. Okay? Kids, now bye. See you again.